Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to dual boot Windows and Ubuntu. So first we are going to download an ISO file for Ubuntu. So first open any web browser and search for download Ubuntu. Now look, press the first link. We are going to be downloading Ubuntu 24.04 long-term support. After the download has started, we will download the latest Rufus package. Now we wait as it downloads. After the download, we will use Rufus to mount the ISO file on the USB drive. After mounting the ISO file, we can either restart if we want to install Ubuntu alongside Windows, with 50/50 storage for each, or we can use diskpart to allocate the storage. To do this, follow me. I am going to allocate 50 GB. Now I will restart and use the USB drive to download Ubuntu. Now press the boot menu button. It is different for every type of PC. In my instance, I have an HP PC and my boot menu button is F9. So now choose the USB with the ISO file. Now click Install Ubuntu. Wait until you reach the Install Ubuntu window. Follow the steps in this video. Now you can either install Ubuntu alongside Windows with the specific option, or you can install manually if you shrunk the drive. Now I will tell you what partitions you need to make and why you need to make them. First, we will need a 25 GB partition for the root files. This is where the operating system will install. Anything above 25 GB is more than sufficient for it. Next, we will create a swap partition. Ideal swap size in Linux is debatable. If you have 2 GB or less RAM, use swap double the size of RAM. If you have 3 to 6 GB of RAM, use a swap of the same size as RAM. If you have 8 GB or more RAM, you may use swap half the size of RAM, unless you have plenty of disk space. And you want to use hibernation, and in that case, use a swap of at least the same size as RAM. Similarly, create a home partition. Allocate it maximum space. In fact, allocate it the rest of the free space because this is where you'll save music, pictures, and downloaded files. Once you are ready with root, swap, and home, click on Next. Now fill the required credentials. After installation, this will be your first look of Ubuntu. These are all the extra apps that we installed. This is Windows 11. This is the look of the partitions we made for Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.